3. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trade breakdown video. Now today's video, guys, we're going to be going over 2 setups that I actually took advantage of this morning during the London session. I also caught XPX during the New York session. Now, as you can see by the title, I did take a L today. I did take a L here on Gbpusd. I was looking for a short. I'm just going to do a quick breakdown of what I was looking for, you know, going over my rules. So first and foremost, you guys know I do trade from ICT mentorship videos. So a lot of his videos are basically the same way that I trade. So I was looking here to run buy side liquidity here. So we ran buy side liquidity here around 3 o'clock London session. We also had a nice Judas swing here, so this made the setup even more spicy. You can see here, this is a Judas swing. If you guys study ICT, this is a Judas swing move. This is a fake move. This move right here, this big bullish green candle, faked a lot of retail traders in the market. Everyone's saying, oh, it's gonna buy. People have buy stops up here. People are ready for this breakout. Like, people are waiting for this move right here to happen. So this same move here that happened here, this, if you got, if you was too early and you thought this was, the signal to go ahead and buy, you're wrong. You got faked out, price, reversed and went down for 44 pips. Now, as you can see here, I did take a L here on this setup. I waited for the Judas swing to get done, and I waited for a fair value gap to be revealed to me. That's my strategy. I always wait for fair value gap. I'm sorry, guys. I always wait for fair value gaps to be shown, and then I enter off the fair value gap automatically. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's I'm really strict on how my entries are, so I'm very clear on what I'm doing. I'm waiting for price to run buy side liquidity here. Now I know you guys already saying it's hindsight, You guys can see literally the entry is here. You guys can see right here the execution is right here. I sold here, sell for 100K right here. Then I got hit for stop loss, so that go ahead and clears up all that. So as you can see right here, fair value gap was created off these 2 candles here. So right here is my indication I want to go ahead and catch a fair value gap. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest here, I could have extended my stop loss to 15 pips, but I'm not really a fan of that because I said I wanted to have a 10 pip stop loss. I usually use a 10 pip stop loss, so I took this fair value gap off this candle here. Right here, I took this fair value gap right here. So off this candle here, I took the fair value gap up this candle. You can see price came up on my entry, filled me in nicely right off this candle. Now, I was expecting us to go up a little bit higher just in case. So I put my stop loss just above this fair value gap and kind of like half of this. And you can see I literally get, stopped out, then price goes my exact same way. And I know you guys are like, okay, so why didn't you get back in? That's not my rules. If I lose, I'm not getting back in. That's just me, because that creates unwanted bad psychology. If I'm hopping back into a trade I just lost, I want to obviously make my money back, which I could have made all my money back off this loss and more if I would have retook it. But like I say, it's okay because I know that I can find trade setups each and every day with using ICT mentorship videos. So that's a Gbpusd loss here during the session. We're gonna get it back tomorrow whenever the market reveals us a new signal. So let's go ahead and go over to the buy that I took here on XPX during London session. During New York session here. Very simple trade. You guys can see here, for all the naysayers, entry is here. You guys can see here, entry here, buy 1 at 4589.2, and I took profits right here 4620.4. so they go ahead and clear up all of that. So you guys can see here, nice XPS trade here. I took it from the 1 hour straight down to the 1 hour time frame. You can see we had a nice fair value gap. Nice fair value gap sitting right here. Right about here. Fair value gap, and we're bullish. So this is just extra confirmation. So as you can see right here, we're already bullish on XPX. We broken structure to the upside, and now we're just coming back down for a nice retracement to go ahead and make a new higher high as we did here on this setup. I didn't catch all of this. I only caught 364 points off of this move. So like I said, guys, as price ran up here, I was patiently waiting for a nice retracement. I was really waiting for smart money to fool some of the retail traders and thinking that this thing is gonna dump, because that dollar did have some strength to it today. So if you was going by that, you would have possibly took a sale here on SPX and possibly got stopped out. And that's exactly what I was looking for, was to counterparty these sales. Now, like I say, as price pushed down here, this could have scared you, especially this right here, this rejection here, and then we dump off. This could have put, you could have shitted your pants right here. You really could have shitted your pants. If you don't know market structure, if you don't know how the market move, this would have shitted you out of the market, and you would have took sales here. If you would have took sales, it would have been fine if that's your strategy. But with my strategy here, I was already looking to counterparty this. And what I mean by counterparties, I'm looking, if everyone is selling here, you got to think, if the average trader is selling this because they think that it's going to go down and price is overbought, they're going to be taking sales. So it's going to be a lot of selling orders flooding the market. What is smart money going to do? Smart money is going to counterparty that to really reverse it. So they're going to do the opposite of what the average trader is doing. Now, am I saying I'm some big time trader? No, but that's how I think. That's how I talk, because I know I'm going to be there one day. And I already kind of know exactly what smart money is doing and where they're basically going to counterparty these setups. If you watch ICT videos, you will understand. He teaches that in all his mentorship videos. So make sure you go over there and study a real one. So like I say, price came down to a fair value gap. I waited for price on a 5-minute time frame. Drop down to the 5-minute. Let me just delete this here in the confusion. Delete this here, also in the confusion, and I'm gonna delete this here. So this whole rectangle box here is that 1 hour fair value gap. Keep that in mind. So if I drop down here, what do we see? What do we see right here? Nice what? Order block. Order block right here. Last down close candle, price comes right down inside of this order block. What do? I take a buy. I buy here. You can see buy 1. Once again, buy 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. 2. I took a long position here. Now my targets, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I was targeting right here, right about here. I was targeting right here, but I took profits a little bit earlier. Just because I was already up a good amount. So right here we had buy side liquidity. We had the market came here and rejected off very nicely. Left too clean. It left a lot of orders here that need to be filled, and also we're gonna have buyers right here. Also, the people are gonna think, if price breaks this level, it's gonna keep going higher, and it can or it can't. Whatever the market wants to do, this is what it's gonna do. So like I said, we took this buy here, fair value gap, order block, 5-minute order block. Price runs up here, and price runs right back down to fill in some more orders. As you can see here, we literally expanded, took off, broke structure here. This was another confirmation to hold the setup. Broke structure right here. You can see we broke structure. We literally ran up, and I took profits right here. So right at 4,623 is where I took profits at. So a very nice setup here on XPX here for today during the London session. I'm just gonna put up the long positions. You guys can see the risk reward if you guys care about those things, because I don't. But as you guys can see here, I took profits here, and I had my stop loss just below right here. It was like right here, right below this candle here. I didn't want to see price close below this candle right here, so I had my stop loss like right there. So actually extended right there. So I had like a 79-point stop loss. This is about a good 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. If you guys care about those things, I don't. But yeah, man, it's gonna be that video. Nice trade breakdown video of my loss and my win. Remember, guys, we win and lose. If anyone is telling you that they win 100%, run away, because they're scammers and they're frauds. Even with ICT mentorship, guys, we're gonna lose trades. He will tell you that we're gonna lose trades. No one wins every single trade. His model is not 100%. And I'm telling you that now, and he will also tell you that it's not 100%, but you will be able to find setups, and just having that confidence, knowing that every day, if I do lose, just knowing that I have the ability to go find a new setup, and that I'm not forcing that's just gonna come to me. And that's all just by studying his mentorship videos a lot and actually getting into the markets and doing it live. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I'm done talking. I will be dropping some more videos this week, going over some fair value gaps. I had a couple people in the comment section asking me to do videos on how I trade the fair value gaps. It's literally the same way as ICT. So if I don't drop a video this week, just go over to ICT YouTube and watch his fair value gap videos. But other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoy your guys' day. Hope you had a nice, profitable day in the market, because I know I did. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video, and we're gone. Peace.